8 months ago on August 31st, 2020, I created my first YouTube video. It was a video on how to create a contract using Hello Bonsai, and not a lot of people watched it. In fact, I think only my girlfriend and my brothers watched it, not even my friends. In the beginning, I was scared of creating content. I was scared about what people would think or say. But as I started becoming more consistent in uploading and I started to upload more and more, I realized that people don't really care about what you're posting because everyone's just so focused on their own lives. Ultimately, I created this channel for two reasons. One, to show my designs to the world and kind of show the world what I can do and really use this as a portfolio. And two, to help people become better designers. Although I'm not the best designer in the world, I don't think that really matters. As long as I'm helping someone become a little bit better at design, then that's what this is really about. So I've hit 1,000 subscribers and I think that's fantastic. But from here on out, I'm planning some pretty big things and I wanted to talk to you guys about it. So for this video, I want to do the following. I want to talk to you guys about the future of this channel and some pretty exciting things that are coming down the line. So first off, I plan on making content that is longer, better edited, and more suited to the needs of you guys. I want to hear more about what you guys are struggling with when it comes to design and how I can help with my videos and how I can make tutorials that really fit what you need. So if you want me to cover something specific, then let me know in the comments. Number two, I'm starting a micro podcast on this channel that I might call Dialogue with Designers. The entire purpose of this podcast is going to be to sit down with more experienced designers and freelancers and talk about subjects that are really important to you and subjects that you guys really struggle with. Whether it be about how to get clients, how to make better design, how to get that design job that you really want. All this is supposed to be covered in this type of content. If you've watched some of the Futures content where they go and they interview better designers and freelancers, that's kind of what I want to do here. I want to sit down with better designers than me and talk about things that I can improve on and you can improve on, and it should just be a sit down where we can all learn a few things. Number three, down the line, I'm planning on making a couple of courses that let me go into a lot more detail and depth than a 10-minute video will. Some ideas that I have for courses are a website mastery course, so we're going to design some things in Figma and then transfer it over to Webflow and have a fully functioning website. That's one of the ideas. And then another idea is how to create an entire brand from scratch. So how to create a really, really well done brand packaging. Now, I obviously have to work on one of them at a time, so I want to prioritize what you guys want. Which one of these two courses would you be most interested in? Let me know in the comments down below. So where we are right now, I'm currently doing next week's video, which is going to be a complete breakdown of my Webflow portfolio, and I'm really just going to go over that entire process with you guys. I plan on uploading that as soon as I have it done, but obviously it's an entire website, so it takes a lot of time. So yeah, I'm just gonna upload that as soon as I have that finished. From here, I think one of the most important things for the future and really growing this channel to be 10K, 100K, maybe even 1 million subscribers is to really make this a huge community for designers and for creatives. Obviously, 1,000 subscribers when it comes to YouTube is microscopic, but when you think about how these are actually 1,000 human beings with their own hope and desires and wishes, then it really is kind of crazy to think about that. So I'm really thinking bigger picture here. I want this to be a channel that is completely just a design hub for all creatives, whether that's app design, UI design, product design, branding, graphic design, everything. I want it to be part of this channel. So I want to make a huge channel revolving around that. So if that's something that interests you, then also let me know down below. Again, these are just things that I'm trying out and I'd like to know what you guys think about it. If you aren't already subscribed to this channel, then please take the time to do so right now, as obviously it helps enormously for the channel. Also follow my Instagram and my Twitter. It allows you guys to really get in contact with me and I can really just have normal conversations with you guys. If you've been subscribed since the actual beginning, then I'd really like to thank you specifically. Let me know who you are in the comments so I know exactly who you are. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you guys on the next one.